Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see action blocked on your Instagram. So Instagram problem action blocked. So mostly it's temporary blocked, so you just need to wait some time until Instagram will unblock you. If you don't want to wait, you can also just try to go to the settings, and in the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just turn off Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data, and if you use mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on Wi-Fi. And if it doesn't help you, just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds, and just turn it off. And if you still have this error, so just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. So this is a way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.